Alright guys, what's going on? And welcome back to another episode of Hatch's Recreational Engineering. And today, boy do we got a good one for you. So finally, someone other than myself has made a financially irresponsible decision and bought another project car. If you've been around on the channel for a while, you've definitely seen Maintenance Mike in our other videos. And he bought himself another car. So we're gonna go get that today. And what I especially like about this video is no financial responsibility here. You know what I mean? I didn't have to spend anything to make this video, but you guys are still gonna get some great content out of Maintenance Mike here. So we're gonna go pick up the car today. Of course, as you can see, it's raining, so it was supposed to snow, so this is a blessing in disguise, I guess. So we're gonna go get this thing, but before we head out, we need to bring the engine hoist with us. So if that doesn't tell you something about this project, I don't know what does. How many times you gotta bring an engine hoist to go pick up your project car? So we gotta bring the engine hoist with us. So we gotta get that in the back of the truck. And I'm not feeling real ambitious about taking it all apart. So I think I'm gonna try to load it by myself into the back of the truck as a complete unit. See how that goes, you know. Have the old Silverado here looking like a tow truck. Big boom sticking out of the back. So I'm gonna try and do that, and then we'll go meet up with Mike. That went way better than I expected. I thought for sure that was gonna be a nightmare. The medium coffee with just cream, and then I need a medium coffee with cream and sugar. Thank you. You too. I've said it before and I'll say it again. You can't go anywhere without getting your boy a coffee. Don't show up without one. You're not allowed to. Alright, so we're only right down the street from Mike's house, and we're actually right on time. And I know that Mike's gonna be stupid excited about doing this today. So we're gonna have to call and tell him that we got the time wrong.
Hello?
Hey!
Hey, what's up?
You told me to be at your house at what, like 12:30? No?
No, I thought you'd be at my house like now.
I thought we didn't have to be there till like 1.
No!
Oh, dude, I dropped the ball, man.
No, you did not. You're so full of
I'm
shit.
not even ready to go.
You're so full of shit. You're at the freaking gas station getting coffee.
All right, that didn't pan out.
Don't tell me that shit.
All right, I'll see you in a minute. Damn it, I hate when your friends know you too well. Yank it. How far up you want to go, Mike? How you doing, Mike?
Well, I'm not sick to my stomach yet.
Oh, well, that's a good sign. Hey, Mike, your tire's flat. Hey, Mike, your tire's flat.
And my dad had told me, why in the hell did you buy that thing?
Yeah, I mean, at least yours has wheels on it. It's a lot of parts in there, Mike. Oh boy.
That's the bill sheet.
Well, it's still there.
What? That does need a new cord.
No, it doesn't. It needs the right her. Don't even look at it. Close the trunk. There you go. Rust repaired.
Oh, watch your head, Dad. Dad. What? Watch your head.
Be careful, Mike. Don't scratch the paint. 39 minutes and we only destroyed one Dodge tailgate in the process. Fix that. There's no fixing that. That whole thing caved
Starting
in.
route to 21 Potter.
Yep.
Oh. Yeah, you might want to get a little more.
Yeah. It's already leaking.
Oh, stop!
Well, you just want to drive it for the first time? Is that what's going on?
I want to make sure that back tire's not going to come off.
Oh, Mike, the car's already paying for itself.
Look at that.
Somebody, look.
Let's get buck. Sweet. It's a real dollar.
Yeah, I think it's a real whole dollar.
It's a real whole dollar.
Holy crap.
Wow. Keys.
No, really?
Yeah, the keys to the ignition.
Wow, look at that, Mike.
It looks better when there's nothing inside here. What?
What looks better?
Solid floor. Solid car.
Hey, Mike, your quarter panel's got a little dent in it.
You think?
Lucky for you, Mike. I consider myself a body man. Hey, Mike, tell me when the quarter's back where it's supposed to be.
There you go.
Hey, Mike, I just restored your car.
Look at that. Give it a little push right there.
All right, right here.
Yeah, not too much now. All right, yeah, we're looking good.
That's a little hammer and dolly action. There you go. Huh?
Brand new distributor.
Oh, we do have distributor.
Small block, low power, electronic distributor.
He's got a new distributor, spark plug wires.
There you go. That thing will fire right up.
Yeah, Mike, this is good. This
Find
is
the motor mount.
an alternator in a box over here. This is new battery tray right here.
Here's your crossover part. Ooh, look at that.
Oh, trans-cross member. What do you got? Oh, they're nice.
They're
Four piston.
yeah. Expensive book.
Here you go, Mike. Nice.
What bearing in there?
Yep.
No.
Yep. Brand new carburetor.
Yeah, yes it is. I'd say $140 for the gas tank and $50 for the sending unit. Oh, there you go. 7/7/2012, Carlisle.
There you go. Same place we shop.
Yeah.
You got a lot of junk here, Mike.
Well, at least I got, like I said, I wonder if I got fuel line clips and everything.
Yeah, they were in a bag right over here somewhere.
Yeah.
I handed them to your dad.
Yeah, I put them somewhere. I mean, you could take, if you got the gasket for that motor, I would take it all apart and do, and...
Oh boy.
What?
This car's never gonna run.
Yeah, see, they work though. This is good. Because that's not rusted out or anything.
Yeah, so Mike, it looks like they put new shocks on up here, new ball joints. Yeah, I mean, they were calling the front end done because they even undercoated all this up here. I like the inspection stickers. You can't read any of them. What do you think, Mike?
It's a project.
Well, it's all there, Mike, and it's pretty solid. At least you don't have to do anything with the inside.
Well, it's got a big dumpster.
The inside is pretty much done. I would just put some sound deadener and carpet back in it, or rubber floor mat, or whatever you're doing, and that'll be it. All right, Mike. So tell them what you bought.
71 Plymouth Duster with a 318 and either a 3-speed or a 4-speed, and a lot of good parts.
A lot of parts. A lot of parts. But Mike's got to try and get this paint off of here because this looks like crap. And I think I converted him into just going to run the ratty muscle car look. Right, Mike? Say out loud on camera that you're not going to restore this car.
I'm not going to restore the car, but I might put a new quarter on it.
The whole quarter? I already fixed it. Just look at it from this side. This side's way better. All right, well, I just got to Mike's house. It's the day after we brought the car home. And as you can see, Mike's got his 64 gone. He's actually not even here right now. He left to bring the 64, his already done car, over to his parents' house. They're gonna hold on to it in their garage for a little bit so that we can get to work on this thing. I told Mike that I'm not helping him until he cleans this mess up. So I'm here to get a little bit of a head start. Work on some stuff for Mike, because after bringing the car home yesterday and seeing everything laid out in his garage here, could definitely tell he was a little overwhelmed. So here to kind of help him out, tell him it's gonna be okay, settle down. So I brought a car cover this thing up because we're gonna leave it outside for a little bit so he can clear that up. And I also had a special surprise. I actually had some, I forgot, but I had a whole box of Kill Mat. So that should, if that's not gonna get him back excited on the project, I don't know what will. The one thing I want to get to doing, while Mike's not here, and to kind of get him to feel, inspired to get some work done on this thing, is try and get this paint off the car. Because I think seeing it all one color will help kind of re-inspire and let them know that it's going to be all right. Because really, this thing is super, super solid. It's actually a really nice car. Nobody hacked up any of the dash wiring harness. It looks like the rear tail lamp harness and stuff is all in good shape. The dome light's in here, still plugged in. It's just not, hanging from the ceiling. But everything in this car looks really good. Somebody finished the front end. Obviously, purple's not going to cut it for us, but we can't repaint purple until we can get it in a heated garage. It's like 30 degrees out here. Let me get some stuff set up here, and let's see if I can get some of that paint off. Alright guys, well, we just got home, and I think that's going to do it for this video. But drop down in the comments and let me know what you think about Mike's new project. Do you want to see us keep working on that thing? Do you not care at all? It's going to need a bunch of stuff to put it back together, but a lot of stuff came with the car. So I think what we're going to do is we're going to put that car back together with the parts that came with it. It came with the 318, the 4-speed, and the 7 1/4 rear, and have a shootout against my 72 grudge race. So the 318, it's like a 78 318. Should put out, 225 horsepower against my 210 horsepower 327. Now that motor had a 4-barrel intake and stuff on it, so maybe we'll have to 4-barrel intake swap the 327. But I think that'd be cool if we had the junkyard car, ratty muscle car shootout between those two cars, because they're only within like 10 pounds or so on the weight too. It's like stupid close. But we've definitely got a whole bunch more coming, so make sure you like, subscribe. We got more coming for the 70. I've got more stuff I want to do, the 72. So make sure you guys are staying tuned, and we'll see you next time.